Is your car giving you a hard time starting up right after you fill up the tank at the local gas station, or is your check engine light stuck on for an evaporative emissions error? You are likely dealing with the code P0496, which means there is fuel vapor flow happening in your engine when there should not be any flow at all. This is a very common issue across many American vehicles, especially models from General Motors like Chevrolet and Pontiac, though you will see it on everything from a Honda to a Mazda. Your car has a system designed to trap gas vapors in a charcoal canister and burn them off safely during normal driving, but when the Purge solenoid valve fails, it can let engine vacuum pull those vapors in at the wrong time. This leads to an engine that runs way too rich, which can eventually melt your expensive catalytic converter or foul your spark plugs if you ignore it. Most people do not notice many symptoms other than the warning light, but a hard start or a rough idle right after fueling is a huge red flag that your purge valve is stuck open. The most common cause is a faulty purge solenoid, but it could also be a blocked charcoal canister or a failing fuel tank pressure sensor that is lying to the computer. A quick and easy way to test this in your driveway is to disconnect the vacuum line at the purge valve that goes back to the tank. With the engine running and the electrical connector unplugged, put your finger over the valve opening. If you feel any suction at all, that valve is trash and needs to be replaced immediately. You can also try removing the valve and blowing into it. It should be sealed tight like a closed door, so if air goes through, you found your culprit. If the valve is fine, the problem might be an intermittent electrical short or a glitchy fuel tank pressure sensor. You can check the sensor by using a high-end scanner to watch the tank pressure with the gas cap removed. It should show zero pressure, so if you see a vacuum reading, the sensor is defective. Always start by checking your gas cap first to make sure it is clicking shut correctly, as a loose cap is the #1 cause of emission lights in the States. If the simple tests do not reveal the leak, you should take it to a pro who can run a proper smoke test to find the break in the line. Fixing this will keep your emissions clean and ensure your car fires up smoothly every time you leave the gas pump.